Hello, Moses. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads Marketing. I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where Secure Electrical Contractors is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'll go over a few specifics on how to rank your site and how to beat your competition online. Three things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. And be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with keyword phrases that have to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician El Paso, electrical contractors in El Paso, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, yours is the site that pops up. Looking at your website, I wanted to commend you on how clean and professional it is, and it is very easy to navigate. I love how you have this menu up here with the different drop-down menus for your services. Also, I did like how you included things like testimonials here at the bottom. You have a few pictures thrown in, and then the expandable options here, just detailing your services, and then you have the internal linking that will take you, or I would include internal linking right here where it says learn more to your service back pages. First off, I would highly suggest, again, doing a keyword optimization for your homepage to make sure you're targeting high volume keywords that have a lot of buyer intent, not necessarily just electrician. You want electrician in El Paso, Texas, or things like that. And what the 1,500 to 2,000 words allows you to do is include those keywords throughout your front page without it appearing to be stuffed in there. So typically the ratio that we suggest is one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content. That allows Google to read through it, see that you're not just stuffing those in there, and builds you as a more credible website with a lot of valuable information. On your service pages, I would suggest doing the same thing, just making sure that you have about 500 words of content, keeping to that 100 to 150 words of content per keyword phrase. You can have multiple phrases on your service page. Just be sure that you keep that ratio about the same, so 1 to 100. Next, I wanted to talk to you about something called backlinks. Thing is, with Google, it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. And it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that is related to your industry, like an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, as opposed to a backlink from something like a Macy's department store or a local Domino's pizza. A tool that we use to analyze backlinks and traffic to your website is called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and plugged in yours here. You have 182 backlinks from 32 referring domains. That means there's 32 websites pointing back 182 times to your website. And over the past month, you've had an organic traffic of about 1. So little to no traffic actually going to your website. Again, that can be revamped with some keyword optimization, making sure you're targeting those high buyer intent keywords, and then making sure that your backlinks are of higher quality and getting more of them, obviously. Taking a look at your competitor, your top competitor in El Paso as far as digital marketing goes, they have 301 backlinks. It's Texas MEP, if you couldn't see it up here. They have 301 backlinks from 46 different domains, and they have an organic traffic of about 220. So they're getting a lot of traffic to their website. I've checked out their keywords. They are targeting stuff specifically in El Paso, and they do have some high quality backlinks. That's why they're getting so much more traffic directed to their site. Next thing I want to talk to you about is something called citations. So now citations are very important because when someone goes to Google to research or to look up a particular service, they'll type it in here, electrician El Paso, and you'll see here that one of the first things that typically pops up is going to be what's called a Google Map Pack. And so as you can see, you are located here in the map pack as the number 3 spot, which is awesome. It's great to be in here because there's a lot of traffic that ends up going to it. What you would want to shoot for is getting to that number 1 spot, because about 70% of whoever clicks into this map pack goes to that number 1 spot. How you do that is by going on to the various directories that you're probably already, a lot of them you're probably already listed on, but it's like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, House, Home Advisor, Angie, Yelp. There's hundreds of them out there, and so just getting listed on more of them will get you ranked higher up. A typical strategy that we employ is just taking a look at your top competitor as far as backlinks go, and then as far as citations go, replicating what they have, and then building in a 20 to 30% cushion on top of what they have. That way, you're guaranteed to get to the top spot. And as long as you keep on adding backlinks and citations along the way, you'll retain that top spot and acquire all that additional volume and traffic to your site, and hopefully customers. So there's a lot of information. I hope that it was useful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Megan directly at 210-865-0718. And I hope you have an excellent rest of your day.